We, the members of the Polk County Sheriff's Office, are committed to excellence in providing law enforcement, detention, and public safety services. In partnership with our community, we will serve with integrity, compassion, accountability, and professionalism. September 5, 2023. Lake Wales man murders his own 16-year-old son. On Labor Day Monday, September 4, 2023, the Polk County Sheriff's Office arrested 37-year-old Stephen Thomas Rada of Lake Wales and charged him with first-degree murder in the homicide of his own son, 16-year-old Stephen Lee Rada Star. The following is an excerpt from the affidavit, which is self-explanatory. On September 4, 2023 at approximately 1115 hours, Thomas Rada called 911 to report he found his grandson, Stephen Lee Rada, 16 years old, unresponsive in a pool of blood. Polk County deputies and Polk County EMS responded to the scene and found Stephen Lee Rada, victim, deceased in the dining area of the residence. The victim suffered a deep laceration to the underside of his left arm, lacerations to his left eyebrow and left ear, superficial lacerations to his abdomen and 3 deep lacerations to the back of his head. The victim was missing some teeth, which were located near his body. Apparent human hair was found in the victim's left hand. Blood spatter was visible on the wall near his body and head. A handheld angle grinder was located next to the victim, with a broken saw blade on the ground. While on scene, I learned Thomas Rada, Stephen Lee Rada, victim, and Stephen Thomas Rada, suspect, all live in the same dwelling as a family unit. Thomas advised on this day he left his residence at approximately 0800 hours to visit his wife at the Palm Gardens Rehabilitation Center. When he left the residence, only Stephen Lee Rada, victim, and Stephen Thomas Rada, suspect, were at the residence. He left the rehab center at approximately 1030 hours and returned home. When he returned home, the suspect was standing outside and asked Thomas Rada for a cigarette. The suspect then told Thomas Rada not to go inside the residence and that he just killed somebody. The suspect then told Thomas Rada he should probably call the police. Thomas Rada entered the residence and found the victim deceased in a pool of blood on the dining room floor. When Thomas Rada exited the house, the suspect was gone. At approximately 1134 hours, deputies located the suspect walking west along Highway 60, near West Lake Wales RDN. The suspect had blood on his jeans and a fresh laceration on the knuckle of his right hand index finger. He was taken into custody without incident. Rada was booked into the Polk County Jail and attended a first appearance hearing on Tuesday afternoon, September 5, 2023. He is being held without bond. The victim's name is being released with permission from his family. Equality before the law, also known as equality under the law. Equality in the eyes of the law, legal equality, or legal egalitarianism, is the principle that all people must be equally protected by the law. The rule of law is a political ideal that all citizens and institutions within a country, state, or community are accountable to the same laws, including lawmakers and leaders. It is sometimes stated simply as no one is above the law.